Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am in Richmond, British Columbia at the new Unifiller manufacturing facility at the grand opening, and I am catching up with the cake boss himself, Buddy Valastro. Buddy, thanks so much for being here and celebrating this grand opening.
Oh, just my pleasure and honor to be here.
So you gave a speech to the crowd who's here for the opening, and you talked a lot about sort of your journey from the family bakery Carlos and through becoming the cake boss, and now you're really manufacturing at scale, and you're all about innovation, and it means kind of different. Innovation means different things to every baker. So how is automation playing a role in how you are pushing the boundaries for your brand when it comes to innovation for your cakes?
Well, what we're trying to do is really, at the core of it, always stay to our roots, right? So a lot of people think just because you're mass producing, it's still the same ingredients. The ingredients from butter to sugar, they're all real and raw and using quality. I think that that's one thing that always sets apart, especially in today's growing age in commercial baking. There's a push to be cleaner labels, right? There's a push on natural colors, natural flavors, which for me I like. I think it's kind of what we were doing already, right? So it kind of opens that door up. But for the innovation part is what's different in a cake, in the way it's going to visually look, in the textures. Is there going to be a crunch in it? Is there going to be smooth? Are you looking to do more mousses or custards, or do you want to do buttercreams or fudges? So it's kind of like having the versatility to kind of bring different flavor profiles out there, and then pushing the envelope on being able to make things fast but look beautiful.
And, I saw you in this facility, like icing a cake in less than 11 seconds.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
No, well, listen, honestly, this is the stuff I use every day. So I know this equipment like the back of my hand. And, what I said, I meant. Like, when something's not working and I call someone at 6 a.m. and they answer, when I'm setting up my line, that means a lot. And the fact that they do that for me when they ask me to come and be part of this today, that's why I'm here.
And I did love that you really called out the Unifiller team, talking about how you treat them like family and they treat you the same. And I think that's really important in this industry.
And I think it's about pushing each other in the boundaries of wanting more or going further, or something doesn't work, or, how do you get it to work? So it's just not like, oh, it doesn't work, that's it, move on. No, what could we do to make it work? And I think that that's pushing the innovation level, which I love to do. It's been a great journey.
It's been amazing, and I've seen you throughout your entire journey in this industry and as a consumer, and it's really cool to see what the Cake Boss brand has become. And I know you're a very busy man.
Yeah.
Speaking of that,
always.
And so thank you so much for coming all the way out to British Columbia to celebrate the opening of this incredible facility.
Well, like I said, you never forget who your friends are. Unifiller has been a friend to me for many years, and I don't forget those kind of things, and that's just who I am, and I wouldn't have missed it.
Awesome. Thanks again, Buddy.
Thank you.